my yummy Babylonian shell. Or they call it the spiral arulata Babylonian shell. Ayan. Yummy, yummy. Hello everyone, welcome to Evergreen channel. In this video guys, we gonna cook this Babylonian Areolata shell or a spiral shell. Ayan guys, when I went to the market this morning, it's my first time to see this shell. So I'm very excited. I just want to try to cook guys. Parang sa Pilipinas ay yung tinatawag nilang kohol. Ayan. At itong ating mga ingredients, mag-start na tayo. Ito yung shell, spinach, bagoong, oil, coconut milk, patis, black pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and chili. Ayan guys, mag-start na tayo. Mag-start na tayo ng ingredients. Pasensya na, ang aking baby boy ay maingay dahil sa aeroplano. Ayan. Chop, chop, chop. Ayan, isunod natin ang ating onions. Maingay ka lang ang aking aso guys, sorry. Ingay yung isa, hindi ko naman yung isa. Ayan, masyadong pa yung onions. Paborito kong onion guys. Ayan, mahintin natin. Iwan natin yung tayo yung mag-isa na. Ayan. Bigyan natin ng kunting oil. Bigyan natin ginger. Ayan, pwede na tayo mag-isa guys. Ayan guys, ilagyan natin ang ating, unahin natin ang ating garlic. Garlic. Ayan. Sunod natin ang ating onions. And guys, sunod na natin ilagay ang ating ginger. Ayan guys, medyo luto na ang ating mga ricado. Ilagay na natin ang ating pepper. Ayan, pepper. Ayan, isunod natin guys ang ating coconut milk. Kalahati lang guys kasi kukunti lang naman yung ating kohol. Ayan. And let it boil for 10 minutes guys. 10 minutes. Wait natin ng 10 minutes. Ayan guys, 10 minutes is over. We can put the shell. Ayan, slowly put. 22 pieces yan guys. That's my dinner for tonight. Mag-isa lang ako. Ayan. Ayan. Then, let it boil guys. Let's wait to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Wait natin. 15 to 20 minutes guys bago maluto. Ayan, 15 minutes is over. Pwede na natin ilagay ang ating, kalimutan natin ilagay ang ating chili. Ayan, para hindi masyadong maanghang. Ilagay ko muna. And we just can put the spinach. Sorry guys, ang aking aso ay sobrang maingay. Ayan. Ang laki, hindi ko nakinat ang aking spinach yan. May tangkay-tangkay pa. Sarap ah! Lagay ko na lahat kasi masisira ito guys. Vegetables in Singapore ay nagtatagalog ng Ilocano na ako. If you buy today, you better cook the next day, or else after 3 days, it's already yellow. Yan. We forgot to put some patis. Tikman natin, guys. Lagyan natin ng konting patis. Tikman natin kung ang lasa. Sarap. Sarap, guys. Medyo maalat-alat ng konti. Stir natin hanggang maluto ang ating spinach. Ang ating aso ay maingay. This is my yummy Babylonian shell. Or they call it the spiral Ariolata Babylonian shell. Ayan. Yum. Let's eat. Let's eat. Aking pagkain. Okay? Small bowl. Yan. Yummy, yummy. I want to finish all. Because later I have so many things to do. I can finish, guys, is 22 pieces. Yan. Let's taste. This is how I want to taste. Yummy. Alcohol. Ne? How to take out? How to take out? Oh, I need something. Ayan, this one. Huh? Yummy, guys, yummy. Want to smell it? Hello, everyone. It's already finished cook. Ready to eat. Let's dig in. Join me in eating this very yummy food. Let's eat. Masarap, guys. Masarap. Very yummy. I want to finish all. Look at shell. Be very careful. Don't eat the shell. Very hard, guys. Very hard. When I first time to see this, it's like, oh, it's so good. It's so good. I asked how much. Hey, 1 kilo is. What I heard is $60. Huh? So expensive. Aso ko, ingay nila. Guys, oh. Yummy, yummy. Sarap. Ang aking mga aso, maiingay. Hindi na. I need something to dig in. Ayun. Very yummy, guys. Very yummy. Yummy, yummy. I want to finish all. It's only 22 pieces, guys. 22 pieces. I have a little bit of rice. I need something to dig in. It's hard. Yummy, yummy. Good. Craving satisfied. So hard to take, guys. Ayan. Mm. So many ginger. I like ginger when too tiny, tiny. Tiny, tiny. Mm. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. This is the way I eat. Kahit Ilocana, I eat like this. Well, ubusin ko na guys para ano? Para walang matira. Yes, Jojo. Wait, my love. I eat, then we gonna go for a walk, okay? I just make sure I don't eat the shell. Sarap. Sorry guys, ang sarap kumain. May sabaw konti. Ay, no. Ay, no, I can hear you, Jojo. This one needs something to dig. Somebody's calling. Somebody's calling. Just a minute. I want to one. Somebody's calling. I'm eating, darling. Oh, it's so difficult. I need a fork. Jojo, can you help? Yung mautusan ng aking mga aso. Jojo, I need fork, darling. It's so difficult. Ito. Yummy, yummy. I finished. Thank you, Lord. Nabusog na naman si Evergreen. And guys, thank you for watching. Nabusog talaga ko. It's very yummy. Try nyo guys. Ginataan. Babylonian. Rayulata shell. Thank you guys for watching. Please forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updated videos. See you to our next vlog. Love you all. God bless.